The images in this video are all real. Taken by NASA's Mars rover directly from the surface of the planet.
For the eyes of the world, now look into space, to the moon, and to the planets beyond.
This is Mars in 4K, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey across the surface of another world. The team at NASA has given Mars informal place names, which you will see on the screen in the bottom left corner. 4 different rover missions have contributed to this incredible footage: Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. The latter 2 still roam the surface today, yet Spirit and Opportunity are gone, lost to the sands of time.
For we meet in an hour of change and challenge, in a decade of hope and fear, in an age of both knowledge and ignorance. The greater our knowledge increases, the greater our ignorance unfolds.
The Curiosity rover continues to rise the hillside of Mount Sharp, the mountain it has been climbing for over 10 years. This was once a vast lake. The most recent rover, Perseverance, has brought along a friend. It's a helicopter called Ingenuity. These 2 explorers are also situated in an ancient lake on the other side of the planet.
No man can fully grasp how far and how fast we have come.
The rovers have proved beyond all reasonable doubt that Mars once had active water systems. The only remaining question is if Mars had life.
This is a breathtaking pace, and such a pace cannot help but create new ills as it dispels old. New ignorance, new problems, new dangers. Surely the opening vistas of space promise high costs and hardships, as well as high reward. So it is not surprising that some would have us stay where we are a little longer, to rest, to wait. But this city of Houston, this state of Texas, this country of the United States was not built by those who waited and rested and wished to look behind them.
The Ingenuity helicopter has been a fantastic scout for the rover, providing incredible images. Here, it flew over the wreckage left behind the mission's landing.
nations. Let both sides seek to invoke the wonders of science instead of its terrors. Together, let us explore the stars.
The Opportunity rover covered over 28 miles or 45 kilometers in under 15 years. It's deemed by many as NASA's most successful mission ever. It was only stopped by a global Martian dust storm, which left it without power and exposed internal components to freezing temperatures. The last data NASA received from the rover roughly translates to, "My battery is low and it's getting dark." Since the beginning of time, all moments have led to this moment. The great scientists and philosophers of the past could only dream of this moment. Our lifetimes are just a blip on the cosmic scale, yet here we are, gazing out onto the surface of another world. Appreciate this moment here and now.
I do say that space can be explored and mastered without feeding the fires of war, without repeating the mistakes that man has made in extending his writ around this globe of ours. There is no strife, no prejudice, no national conflict in outer space as yet. Its hazards are hostile to us all. Its conquest deserves the best of all mankind, and its opportunity for peaceful cooperation may never come again. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Please share this Martian experience with others who might enjoy it. Click here to see the full journey of the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter.